right from the deep. Oh.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah, I have come here today particularly to appreciate you. I must appreciate you for letting go and allowing our own brother Bekon to meet his forefathers. You are a true son of Weza.
Thank you. All thanks to my wife. Bekon desires to go and be with his ancestors.
But now that he is dead and buried, can you tell me what was really your problem with him?
Bekon was a bully. I was older than him for 5 whopping years. 5 whopping years.
Not 5 days.